This video is sponsored by Personalized Paintings.
Fire and eyes, I shoot lasers. Kick ain't crazy, Luke Cage it. Turn up heavy, we raging. Lights burn next, we set blazes. We set blazes. We set blazes.
Dude, I should just take this Nissan GTR. Chilling outside. Looking all pretty. Oh, Dalen, dude, check it this. Shit. I'm sure you can fix that shit. This is my dream car, dude. I've never been so close to a Nissan GTR. So nice. With the brakes and shit. This is so fresh. What do you think about the Nissan GTR? Get gabbed! JDM is fucked, dude.
Gotta get that gap insurance, bro.
That thing is quite long. I never thought it was this long.
Nah, this is long.
The first time I see one. I saw one once, right? But it was just like gapping. I thought it was going.
So it's just...
Yeah.
Nah, these are having...
It's fucking sick.
It's also huge, eh?
Get bitches without even talking to shit. I don't know, I'm still filming, but...
It's so fucking... Did you get a boner from that? He's lying.
Just to say I didn't get a boner from that shit.
Did you get a boner from that?
I don't get a boner. Oh, do you hear that? So Gucci, dude. Okay. What'd you say? That's the what? That's the what? Oh. You said that's the sweetest noise ever. It's converting to JDM.
No.
JDM! He drives it like, doesn't drive like
a child, bro.
Nah,
He's
stop
just
lying.
went inside. Literally went inside.
Hey.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Go! Look at that ass! Look right next to this bar, dude. This guy is going to piss in the dog. Look, he's shooting breeze. We're gonna get bombed, dude.
Do you have the Vaseline?
Oh shit, dude.
Wash your hands, bro. That's disgusting.
You're not supposed to piss on private property, dude. He's coming here with his dirty ass hands, dude.
Bro.
Oh, fucking teeth. Stay out, dude. You didn't wash your hands.
I don't give a fuck.
You're so dumb. Just get out of here.
Bro! Ah, that was in my mouth.
Oh shit, he deep-throated him, dude. He just deep-throated you, dude. Look at this guy. This guy wanted to go bomb too. So the guy was standing behind us. You thought you were gonna go in there and then you was gonna join him. Now he's mad and listen like he's on the phone.
This nigga.
Why should you look at some?
Smash the damn thing.
Oh, go out of the house. Get out of the house.
It's not just
bruh.
that, bro.
Go out of
It's a
the house.
TV.
Which Toyota is this?
Hilux.
This is like 2018 version.
No, 2017. 87 guys in the clock. Literally 87.